we also have quite a few new add-ons for this Ma.K.
That's right.
Kits.
Yes, so you've probably seen, this is Daisy. So Daisy is Warwick's latest build.
Creation, yes.
Here's probably a bit easier to see. Okay, so Daisy is based on the Grosserhund series of, what do they call it? Artificial Intelligence Interceptor Unit. Okay, so it's from this universe that Yokoyama's created. Now, the basic design of the Grosserhund is the same, so the robotic part, and then there's a few different variations of the model. So I think we've got them up here. So we've got
definitely have them up here. Let's go. Now we received a restock, I think, just recently.
Okay, so this one here, that's the original Grosserhund. So the main part that's different is the back section.
Yes.
So the backpack, it's got the rocket launchers on the back, and then this one here, which is the basis for this one. Well, this is actually the Vega. This is the Altair. So the Altair's got the little winglets and the rocket engines, and this particular one doesn't. So what Warwick's done is he's created some new parts to make this arm unit, because usually this arm unit is a laser weapon, and so that's what we've got.
Get from the top.
Yeah. So you probably see it here. Let's just pick her up. Okay. So you'll be able to see here this arm here. So this is usually a very long laser type weapon, and then this arm unit here and the hand has been recreated, and we've got those available
in a small
as
kit.
an accessory here. Okay, so it comes as a set like this, which can be used on a few different models. So you get some spares. You got left, well, you got your inner and your outer for the arm section, and then you've got a selection of hands as well. So you've got an extra right hand to complement the right hand that already comes with it, and then there's two left hands which don't come with the kit at all. And let's just put this down. We'll get a closer look at some of this stuff. See if we get a better idea of the detail
Here we go.
that's in these hands. So you can see how sharp, particularly the like the rubber pad inside on the palm. And you'll see the individual joints for each of these fingers. And then on this side, you can see the sections of the forearms. So there's 3 forearms. So the only thing you will need is some polycaps if you want to adapt it onto an existing kit. The polycaps will be already in it. But if you want to adapt it to a spare kit, then all you need to do is find some extra polycaps, or even just fill it in with some putty. So, and then there's some extra armor on here, these little flat parts, and they're the ones which are shown right there. So there's that extra bit there, just to give your Ma.K a little bit of a extra. Yeah,
that's really nice. This is a pretty good kit. We presented it, I think, a few weeks back.
Yes,
it's really impressive. All the intricate details here on the shoulders.
Yes, that's right.
Special.
All this stuff, and that's all comes original in the kit. There's no added bits.
Okay.
So beautiful kit. So if you're new to the Maschinen Krieger world, this is one of the bigger sort of humanoid type figures.
Right.
And they're really complicated.
They're very
really
complex
nice
to build. I believe. Yeah.
Really nice. So there you go. So there's a Daisy. Daisy was an original with these arms, and now we've got the arms, and they'll be going onto the website.
I think they're probably live already.
Oh yeah.
If not, they'll be live very, very soon.
Yes.
So I've been created. There's a bit of descriptions with some probably a little bit of instruction on let's pop back here. So
yep.
Instruction on how they work, on
probably see
what to do with it.
Yep. You see the extra little rivet details there on the little armor there, and then even the little bulges here, really nice and smooth. Really good.